Good morning, welcome to Andy's Adventures. We're getting ready to go to Bribie for the weekend. We're camping up there, we've got a few friends. It's really hard to get camping sites at Bribie, you have to book them months in advance. Not sure what the weather's going to do because they've got those cyclones that are forming up north.
It's Friday, it's late morning, finished work already, which is nice. Polar's 3/4 packed. Campers all kind of done. Oh jeez, missed loads of bits. Campers all done, and then I realised the solar panel was filthy, so I had to sort of give it a very quick rinse wash to make it look a bit more presentable and get a bit of solar whilst we're out there.
Here we are, we're at the air down point. The others are just behind us. So we'll let some air out the tyres. It's been hot weather, so I don't know, maybe 20, something like that. See how we go. Here's one of the others in the crew. This is Daisy, just letting down the tyres.
Hi there, excuse my boat.
Hey! I've seen that view before.
Where?
In her very cool camo D-Max.
Yeah, it's a bit well, nice north side of it.
And then the mother's meeting over here.
Oh, stop it.
Michelle.
Hello.
We got Rhonda. We got me. Behind us we've got Daisy, Steph and Rach, and this is the access track at Bribie. It could be soft because it hasn't been raining and it has been pretty hot. I've gone nice and low, so no dramas. There we go, we've made it down to the beach.
Okay, we want to see turtles, so make sure you find us turtles, Andy.
We were just talking about that as well. Okay.
Baby ones, please.
I maybe should have gone low range.
We made it.
I think we made it.
We had some momentum and we're in low range. There is back there. Yeah. Oh, narrow. There's a tree there. More concerned about camper. My arm's okay.
This is our little area we're pulling into camp. We were site number 49. Maybe walk out first. Had to take an important phone call, so headed to the beach to get phone signal and got to see these eagles flying around. Morning all, it's Saturday morning. Didn't film anything at all last night, just enjoyed a great night around the campfire, good people. Did just campfire nachos, so nice and simple. Kind of did the shared dinner. Steph did huge loads of nibbles for everyone as well. I'm doing brekkie boats this morning, but I haven't set up a barbecue, so I'm cheating and using a stove. So it's just bacon, like scrambled eggs, mushrooms, and they just get served with the taco boats. We did go for a late night walk and a bit of a stroll down the beach to see if the turtles were hatching, which they weren't. Had a little dip. The sea is very warm, so that's my bath for the weekend. Nice dips in the sea. Oh, so locals have heard I'm cooking breakfast and he wondered if it was ready. Hello mate. So brekkie will be ready soon, okay? Alright, come back in 5-10 minutes. So we do have one of these hexatarps, the drifter hexatarp, so we're going to give this a crack. We'll see what happens. Definitely need the shade. How hard can it be? I'm about to head down to the beach to see what it's like. The others are saying it's not that pretty down there today. We have got a cyclone that's heading down the coast, making it a bit rough and lumpy. So we're in the Ocean Beach camping area on Bribie, Area P. Area P is the only one which has got some cold water showers down there,
and a toilet block as well, some drop toilets. We've got a whole little section actually, which is quite nice. So basically we've got down that way 49, 50, 51, so those are our 3 sites, so no one goes down there but us. We've also got site 52, which is Grison Tracks, which is here, and I think 53 we don't have, but that's just there, and then that's the exit to the beach. Yeah, there's going to be a ton of wind noise. Tide's on the way out again, but wow, it was coming right up here, so it was coming right in. That's the exit. Bit of helicopter action. A couple of turtle nests there. Yeah, that was it. So we're doing a happy hour for lunch instead. I've got a prosciutto wrap brie that I've started over here. Rhonda's got a whole load of stuff going on over here. So we've got some nuts and stuff and things and doodahs. And then Daisy and Steph got a whole load going on over there. Mark's cooked a whole dish over there, like a curry, fish curry or something like that.
You forgot the
Fish curry without the curry.
yeah, without
Yeah.
the curry sauce.
It's been a really nice lazy day, so it's actually I haven't worried about filming, it's just enjoying. And so he heard it's happy hour time, but the food's over here if you want it. I'll take you over to happy hour. There we go, look at this spread.
Oh yeah.
This is fantastic. We've got a bit of everything going on here.
We have indeed.
Got cabana and cheese and dips and
Hungry
antipasto
people.
and nuts and really good prosciutto, another cheese platter, selection of nuts, cucumber without gin, but cucumber, sourdough. Rhonda's been told she's got to move the tent. She's pitched it too close to the fire. I think the plan is that some of us are about to head off and fish, so the girls are lighting the fire, so we're going to have coals for dinner tonight. Not coals for dinner, but coals to cook on.
When you load it too heavy too quick.
Alright, so just about to head off fishing. They've got everything under control there. They may or may not sort out some of my food prep. We'll see when I get back. I'm going with Mark and Rhonda, and Mark's going to try and teach me how to fish. Good luck to him. And then here is the beach. So the ranger has been to see us to let us know that the cyclone that's developing is going to get here, and it is getting here probably a day or so earlier than expected. And he said we won't be leaving tomorrow, it'll be tomorrow afternoon at the earliest. But we don't care, that's absolutely fine. As we head down the beach, it's quite handy having Mark, who knows quite a bit about fishing. Any tips I can get would be awesome. Well, I don't know if you can see, we've given up on the fishing. It was very unsuccessful. It is blowing a lot now. So yeah, we're going to pack up, head back to camp. That's a big old truck. It's just been really choppy. It's beautiful weather. As I say, there is the cyclone coming. And if it did, it was meant to be Tuesday, but now they're saying we will feel the effects of it tomorrow. I think this is the turtle volunteers. They're out doing their checking of the... Oh, there they are in the dunes. Just checking sites. And this is pretty much low tide. So there's the access track, the inland track, sorry. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be driving up to the forts. Anyway, probably time to head back to the camp and sundowner time, I reckon. Hopefully the girls have got some nice coals on the go for that fire, and then I'll start with my prep. We're doing the Trafard tonight, so I've done my food prep. Actually, that's a lie. Rachel's done a lot of the food prep with me. Ice machine's on the go for the gin. We've got a fire for coals. We got roast lamb going over there. This is like the start of the Trafard. Get these going. One more time.
Too slow.
How's the roast looking, Pete?
Where's my glove? Down. The wrong hand.
We'll get the right hand.
It's like Laurel and Hardy.
Really? Says he.
And then it can rest. Because
There you go,
that'll be
Andy.
very nice. Look at that. Yum.
What have you got in the other one, Dave?
Looks like we've got lots of corn dotted round there as well. A bit of a sizzle on the potatoes, not as much as I was hoping. I'm special.
I do everything right-handed, but I do my welding left and right.
Oh, Andy's on it. There we go, Daisy. That's my new torch. Thank you very much. Oh no, that's not Daisy.
No.
You like it?
Yeah.
I just put
As it's turned into chaos tonight, I think they'll probably stop the videoing now. Might show you everything cooked. We've got the lambs done really nice. We've got like a fish curry, coconut fish curry going. We've got the truffade. We've got all sorts.
So you're only going to get a pick of the leftovers. There's the truffade. We have some sausages. We have roast lamb. We have veggies. We have the fish almost curry. Very nice. So that's like a huge plate there. There we go.
Time to enjoy it.
So our cooking, I'd like to say it's a fantastic team effort by everyone for cooking. And it's so good. We've even got the locals come to join us. So we've had our swim on the beach. We've come back to camp. And someone's a little bit hungry. She does like her apple. She's got markings on her face like a badger.
I'll leave you here for tonight. It's Saturday night. We've been down and had a swim in the sea. Nice to cool off. Beautiful dinner. Everyone chipping in. And yeah, really good time. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Morning all. What a beautiful day. Fantastic night's sleep. And no signs of the weather that was meant to come in. So we're just having morning coffee. Actually got whipped by the goanna on me leg because our extra bin bag was hanging down and he decided he liked it. Campsite doesn't look too bad at the moment, so that'll be fairly simple to pack up, although the ranger said don't try and leave before the afternoon anyway, so that's all good. So we're not sure if we're going to be actually going today. So the tide is going out. We've only got about a couple of hours till low tide, but that's not looking like we're going anywhere. And it's not a hope in hell of getting to the inland track either. But anyway, we got plenty of food. Not only was the waves and everything else up, as you can see, we've been the rain is starting here. Fortunately, what I decided to do was put the polars awning up. Little tiny update. I didn't take the camera down to the beach this time. Tide is going out. It's look, it's not pretty out there. Ranger has informed us that the inland track is now closed, so whatever's happened there, that's now closed, not an option. They're saying only travel at low tide to get out, so our plan is do that, and then I think Steph's going to make me a cup of tea. And we're all packed up, about to leave Bribie. Daisy's pretty much ready. She's put a new hitch on the trailer. Campsite should look okay. Just making sure, little gander around. Troll's going now, little battery problem. We're going to head down to the beach. There is a little bit of rubbish here. What's this? It's a float. Just make sure we pick it up so we don't leave any rubbish behind. As we're just hightailing down the beach, not really filming it because it's not pretty, it's a bit overcast, it's dirty, but this, you wouldn't believe it, this is low tide and the surge is coming right up here. But yeah, so we'll probably leave you to it. We've got to do tyres and things like that. I think everyone's ready to go and have a shower. Sorry for the sudden end to the video. I hadn't captured all the damage to the beach due to Cyclone Alfred. There was even quite a steep step created at our campsite, and the ones next to us was even worse. We did have a fantastic weekend away despite Cyclone Alfred approaching, and these photos are a selection taken by everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, or even add a comment and I can get back to you. Until next time, cheers from Andy.